Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. So basically we have two different methods with the help of which we can add bullet points in Google Sheets. So in order to do it, you first need to select that particular cell where you want to add the bullet point. After selecting the cell, the first method of adding the bullet point is you just have to press Alt plus numpad 7 in your keyboard, and then you will be able to see that the dot is now appeared. So this will work as the bullet point. So let me show you in the second column. So you just have to press Alt plus numpad 7 in your keyboard, and this way you will be able to add bullet points in your Google Sheets. Now the second method of adding the bullet points into your Google Sheet is with the help of a formula. So you just have to use the formula that I'm about to show you. So you just have to select that particular column, and then you just have to type equal to CHAR. After typing CHAR, you just have to provide the table number. So here in the table number you just have to type 9679, and then you need to close the bracket and press enter. After doing so, you will be able to see that now we have the bullet point in our Google Sheets. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.